it's Friday, so not only did we have cocktails, sandwich night, and Coach Cower, but
we got questions.
It's also questions from you guys. So it's a little Q, Ray, and J time here.
This is from Sadie Dancy on Instagram. What is the difference between white pepper and black pepper? We like spicy hot spices and have never tried white pepper. We're wondering if it's hotter or not hotter.
It's not hotter, no. White, pink, green, Sichuan, there's all different kinds of peppercorn, like little berries, of course. And white pepper...
Is peppercorn a fruit, actually, or something?
You know, it might be. I just refer to it as a berry, so yeah, I think so. But when you dry it, the characteristics really come out. And when you toast it, like when you add even ground pepper to a sauce, like if you're making a sauce and you melt the butter and you add some pepper, whether it's black, white, pink, green, it will bleed into the butter or the olive oil first and really develop its flavor again and even more. When we toast spice, it gets stronger. So if you like things extra spicy, anytime you toast spice in general, period, or berries, or nuts, you are developing their flavor to the fullest. White pepper I use with veal, sometimes with chicken, sometimes with pork, always in white sauces to keep them white and light. It is softer. It's a more even flavor in your mouth, and it's very earthy. And of course, if you add more pepper to anything, it will eventually get spicier. But for me, it's a different bang for your buck than black pepper. It's a mellow, slow burn versus a pop kind of a thing. What do you think?
What she said. Yes, I agree. It's not as like...
It's a mellow heat.
Like if you use a lot of black pepper, it's pretty
very
intense.
strong, right?
Yeah, and white pepper's a little like more earthier, as you said.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
what he said, what she said.